Assalamualaikum viewers, our topic is Biology 9th multiple choice questions of chapter number 4 according to ALP Smart Syllabus. I am showing slides to you. If you have any question, any query regarding to this, you can message in the comment section. Which of these clues would tell you whether a cell is prokaryotic or eukaryotic? Whether or not the cell is partitioned by internal membranes. There are dash micrometer in 1 millimeter. Correct answer is 1 by 1000. The plasma membrane does all of these except dash. Contains the hereditary material. Which of these materials is not a component of the plasma membrane? DNA. Cell walls are found in these organisms except for dash, which all lack cell walls. Animals. The dash is a major component of plant cell walls. Cellulose. Plant cells have dash and dash which are not present in animal cells. Chloroplast and cell wall. The dash is the membrane enclosed structure in eukaryote cells that contain the DNA of the cell. Ribosomes are constructed in the dash. Nucleolus. Ribosomes are constructed in the dash. Nucleolus. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is the area in a cell where dash are synthesized. Correct answer is proteins. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the area in a cell where dash are synthesized. Correct answer is lipids. The mitochondrial function is dash. Cellular respiration. The thin extension of the inner mitochondrial membrane are known as dash. Pistae. The chloroplast function is dash. Photosynthesis. Which of these cellular organelles have their own DNA? All of these. These are some important MCQ related to chapter number 4. Hope it will be helpful for you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.